all Ugandans, this is what we are doing now. This is the only option now in Uganda for free internet as per now, as we are going to be moving for other free internet options. But right now we are using this, and I'm going to make another video to show you how we can share these options to the whole family via the Wi-Fi hotspot. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment, like, and share to your friends. We're going to use Learn from home, and we're going to open the phone, the dial pad, like phone. We're going to press *100#. Make sure you have every day for 24 hours. Bikumo bitano, as in Uganda, 1500 in English. Open option 2, data or devices. I choose the 10th option, Learn from home. If you use Learn from home, purchase that bundle. After purchasing that bundle, you're going to enjoy unlimited internet. We're going to use up to 10 GB. This option is only good for only heavy downloaders. Only those ones who the TikTokers can choose this option. But for those ones who like want so data speeds, don't subscribe to my YouTube channel, because plus we're not dealing in those stuff. We're doing only fast connection. Buy that bundle any, but option 3 is the best. You close and you select 3, buy, choose airtime, then you continue. You choose airtime. For me, I have already purchased mine. After purchasing, you go to Google Play Store like this. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video to your friends and family. Don't forget to send this to that ghetto youth down there, so that you can also pass through this together. Search AM Tunnel VPN. After searching AM Tunnel VPN, make sure you install. Make sure you have some little bundle. Install this VPN, open. After opening, choose any server. You connect. I'm just alerting you that this VPN is working by Learn from home. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can share this internet to your friends. Thank you guys for following. Connect. After connecting, you're going to see that this VPN is working almost everywhere, but Facebook suggests it is the best option for checking. Like I'm checking this video, it has worked. My stuff, my Facebook is working. I can browse everywhere. I can use the TikTok. Thank you guys for following. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I remain Miles.